Welcome to a very special After Dark version of the Totally Honest Cooking Show. Today we're making a Clover Club cocktail. This is the iconic drink made in Philadelphia in the early 1900s for the Clover Club. The club itself was founded in 1882, and the drink recipe appears as early as 1908. The Clover Club was founded by journalists. It eventually expanded to lawyers, doctors, and other professionals. By 1930, the drink fell out of vogue and was called the kind of drink you can drink at your sewing circles and your quilting clubs. Yay! Anyway, we're going to make one. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of gin. We're going to add half an ounce of our raspberry syrup that we made. To that, we're adding half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This cocktail is an emulsion, which is kind of neat, so we're adding 1 egg white. Just directly in there. And you can drop the yolk on the side, and then wish you had your trash bowl out. So now I'm just going to dry shake it. Let everybody get to know each other, let everything get emulsified. Now I'm going to add 2 ice cubes. Recipe doesn't call for this, but I'm going to add 10 raspberries. Why 10 raspberries, you might ask? Because I want a very raspberry forward drink. Then we're going to get our Hawthorne strainer out. The Hawthorne strainer, for those of you that have never mixed a drink before, has this spring. It'll strain out all of the bits and keep the ice out of your drink. Let's get a look at our drink. Notice the distinctive pink color. Let's see how she tastes. Very raspberry forward. I like this. Yesterday I mixed one up with a different gin. It was New Amsterdam. I like the bloom a little better, to be honest with you. And I didn't use the raspberries. The raspberries really, like, whoa. Anyway, if you like this, click the like button, leave a comment, click the little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.